Right, so guys, I'm trying to do this one-handedly, so anyway, yeah. Who do we get in first pack? First pack. Ooh, Totti, that's not bad, you know. What else did we get? Look on here, Totti. Ooh, I'm an Arsenal fan. I'm loving that. Yeah, so I'm trying to do this one-handedly. Right, who the fuck is he? Who the hell is he? Any of them look good? No. I'll keep the plaque contracts because they always come in handy. Keep that. Keep that. That. Sell the rest. Oh. Oh, and Lima. Really? I'll keep the squad training. Keep the chemistry style. Keep that, looks like a decent, and I'll just sell the rest. Come on, I want a big player, like a really big player like say Ronaldo, a Messi, a Robben, not Bonucci. That is not what I wanted. Let me open one with coins. Let me open one with coins. Fuck off. Lopez, no, I don't need him. Rodwell, don't need him. Arsene Wenger, I'm an Arsenal fan, so obviously I'm going to keep him. What else do we get? Oh, nothing. I'll just quick sell that lot. No, that was not bad. That was a really bad pack. Yeah, sorry about not being stabilised, it's just my arm's hurting. I'm going to go over to my... Ooh, pitch check, that's a good card, that's good. That's good, and Serena. Looks half decent. It looks decent for a silver. And pitch check, as always, is decent. Pinar, I'll keep Pinar as well. Yo, Ruben Castro was someone else solid on FIFA 14. Oh. Ooh, Dost. No, I don't need him. I don't play 5 at the backs, and that's not. I'll keep it anyway. Doing this one-handedly. One, it hurts your arms. Two, it's so hard. Rodriguez! Bam! Get in there! Sissoko, Strootman, and Rodriguez. Fucking... Nah, mate. Nah, you don't even stand, like... Bam, I'll keep all... Keeping Strootman, and I'm keeping Sissoko. Oh my fucking god. Yes, lads. Yes, Rodriguez. Pack lock through 14. Shit. So far through 15, I packed Neuer, Xavi, Kroos, informed David Silva, and what's his name? Oh, Perez, that's not bad, I guess. Wait, I lost where I was. Neuer, informed David Silva, Kroos, Vidal, and Xavi. So far, that's who I've packed. And now James Rodriguez. Yes, lads. That is big. That is big. Like, but I swear I got like the inform that never sell. Like, Don't really need that. France away kit and Poland away. France home kit looks decent. Poland home kit looks decent. Chemistry style shadow looks decent. I'm gonna. Come on, can we get anyone else big? Can we get anyone else big? Oh, I've already got him. He's decent, but don't need him. Oh, these are so helpful because Theo Walcott's injured at the moment in my club. I already sold Neuer, wasted the rest on packs and got Inform David Silva, but he don't sell. I got Inform David Silva and Vidal. Xabi Alonso, bam, get in there. Get in there, lads. Oh, this is good. Wow, that's a nice kit. That is a really solid kit, so is that one. I'm nearly at 10k. Now though, ooh, that's not bad. That is not bad at all. Ooh, yes, we're over 10k. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, Chaos coming, man. Wait. Oh, Rojo, that's not bad either. That is not bad at all. Striker to centre forward, I don't really need that. I'll keep all the healings, just simply because my players get injured very easily. Yo, if I get like a Ronaldo or a Messi in a 5k pack, I would like drop my iPhone. Oh, I've already got Howard, but he might sell for a bit. He looks half decent. That looks good. Barca's B kit, Barcelona's B kit. It's decent. Nah, I'll just sell the rest. Don't care about the chemistry style, don't need it. Come on. I got Toni Kroos in a 5k pack, but I got Crouch. Yes, Crouch. Origi. No, wrong person. Fuck. Oh well. I'll keep Crouch and I'll just store that pack just for the lows. Yeah, right, so now I'll open a 7.5k pack. With coins. Yeah, it's decent. Oh, I got coin boost. I got coin bonus. Yay! Right, guys, this wraps it up for the pack opening. Sorry about like the stability. It's not that good. My record is really bad. No, that was positive by about 20 once. And then I came up, and it all went downhill when I came up against someone that had Ronaldo. Anyway, actually, yeah, I'll show you my team. It's my team, but that's my B team. Basically, I've got 4 teams. I've got pack team, but basically I've got BPL team, and then this reserve BPL team that gives fitness to my first BPL team. And I've done the same with BBVA team. Anyway, this is my first BPL team. As you can see, Theo Walcott's injured there. And then, you've seen my second BPL team. I'll show you my first BBVA team. As you can see, look, I'm not going to lie when I said I packed Toni Kroos. Ready? First owner, sorry. I think, and Xavi, first owner. And, what we'll do is I've already sold Neuer, but I'll go into my trade file, all selling for, and there you go, look, Inform David Silva, first owner. Right, yeah, so this wraps up for the pack opening. I just gave you a little look around, who's in the club and everything. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye!